Want to score with distinction in a UK or USA-based assignment, but stuck on writing academically well? Being a local or international student in a US or UK university or college isn't all roses. You're working your butt off, barely passing assignments, getting failing grades, warnings, and peers' humiliation. You might think you wrote well, but teachers didn't think so. Instead, you got red comments, you lack depth, analysis, and references. Overwhelmed? We can feel your pain. In high-quality UK, USA, and Australian universities, even the smartest students struggle because they write descriptively, not analytically, don't critically engage with sources, fail to structure arguments logically, don't follow UK/USA academic rules and referencing styles like APA, Harvard, or MLA. So, you see, it's not about writing more, it's about writing critically and academically. Whether you're in bachelor's, master's, or PhD, we're on a mission to help you succeed. It means we teach you, train you, guide you, both free and paid, to thrive in academic writing like top scholar from Oxford, Harvard, and UCL. Subscribe for learning. You'll thank yourself for learning with our videos, free guides, and paid coaching. No time to lose. Start learning today on our channel. Get a grip on deep research using peer-reviewed sources, Harvard or APA referencing like a pro, clear, critical original thinking, zero plagiarism, and zero AI-detected academic content. Even then, if you need help crafting top-grade assignments, we've got your back. Let's get you that 70+ mark the right way. Subscribe and share with others.